Today, I'm in the centre of Taunton on East Reach to show you this newly renovated 4-bedroom high-end HMO. Ready for tenants to move in straight away? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you like the look of this property and you would like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord and you have a similar property to this and you're looking for a rental valuation, please do get in touch.